So in this video we are going to talk about how to remove directories, and there will be two command lines that we are going to use. One is rm and the second one is rmdir. First of all, I need to check my directory, that in which directory that I am working. So I need to write here pwd to check your directories, and after that one, if I try to list any specific directory, so there is a snapper that I use it for different cyber security purposes. So first of all, I need to create some directories here, subdirectories. So for that one, the command line that I'm going to use it here is this one. So it will be creating the parent directory and the child, and then grand directory here, grandchild. After that one, what I'm going to do, how to delete these directories. So through what methods are available? Either one method is that you can go into the directory and delete one by one each and every single directory, but if you want to remove all the directories at once, so in that case you can use this option -I, capital I, R, and then dir /, and that will be trying to ask you that do you want to delete these number of directories together. So I will say yes to it, and that's it. After that one, it will try to remove it. If I have any file, so I can remove this file here, for example file and then file.txt. For suppose you have created multiple files, file1.txt, second file2.txt, and then file3.txt. So if I need to remove all of these txt files, so I have an option that for example I can write here file, even I can type here file and then asterisk, and that will delete my all files which are starting with the file, file, and the rest it will not care about what is the extension or what are the other things included within it. In the same way, if I try to create these files one more time again, and if I need to delete these files using rm and then asterisk any name, and I want to delete all the txt file within my folder, so I can use this method. So asterisk.txt. So that is how you can remove the number of files within it. Okay, again I'm going to create these files, and this time I will be trying to see the result of these command lines, that what will happen. So for that one, you can include -v then asterisk.txt, and when I try to remove it, so it will try to show me the result. So sometimes you need to check what's going on within the system, or what are the files that you're copying. So you can use sometimes -v within your command line. Okay, next task is that same thing you can do it with the rmdir. For suppose if I created make directories and the parent directory, and I want to place here -v, which is verbose, and after that one, you can see here it has created all the files together, all the directories and subdirectories, but it is showing me the result as well. And in the same way, I can use the, so previously I showed you one of this command line, which is rm -ir and dir. So another method to delete directories are through this method. So rmdir -vp, and then I can use here full all the directories that I want to remove. So dir1, dir2, and then dir3. So this is how you can remove all the directories, subdirectories within it.